how to use nice to meet you, I'm glad to see you, and I'm happy to meet you. Hello everyone, welcome to today's English class. Today we learned three very common and useful English expressions. Nice to meet you, I'm glad to see you, I'm happy to meet you. Many learners think these expressions have the same meaning, but they are used in different situations. 1. Nice to meet you. When do we use it? We use nice to meet you when we meet to someone for the first time. Structure. Nice to meet you. Examples. A. Hi, I am Saiful. B. Hi, I am Atik. Nice to meet you. A. This is my friend Moushumi. B. Nice to meet you, Moushumi. Remember, use it only when we meet to someone for the first time. 2. I'm glad to see you. When do we use it? When we see someone again, especially after some times, or when we are happy. Structure. I'm glad to see you. Examples. Teacher. I'm glad to see you again. Friend. I'm glad to see you after such a long time. Mother. I'm glad to see you safely home. 3. I'm happy to meet you. When do we use it? We use I'm happy to meet you when we want to express our happiness. It can be used formal and polite situations. Structure. I'm happy to meet you. Examples. Employee. I'm happy to meet you, sir. Students. I'm happy to meet our new teacher. Guest. I'm happy to meet everyone here. Remember, these expressions is a little more common and emphasize your happiness. Practice dialogue. A. Hello, I'm Shahi. B. Hi, I'm Atik. Nice to meet you. Later. A. Atik. It's been a long time. Shahi, I'm glad to see you again. At a conference, students, good morning, sir. I'm happy to meet you. Teacher, I'm happy to meet you too. Today's tips. First meeting, nice to meet you. Seeing someone's again, I'm glad to see you. Polite or formal meeting, I'm happy to meet you. Practice these expressions every day, and your English will become more natural and confident. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.